Okay guys, today is not raining. You can see this is dry land. But I'm just concerned because I see water flowing next to our church. So I'm just gonna go just a little bit to see because it's only this space. Okay. Here we are. Guys, look at this. I don't know if you can see properly. The small hole. There are bubbles, from the ground. There are bubbles. I think there's a lot of water under the ground. Because it's not raining. Look at this. This small bubble is the cause of this flow of water till there by the streets. From here, you can see the distance. From here, this small thing. Okay, let me. Now, you can see it. There are two bubbles. Okay. I wanna see if it's gonna get clean again. Guys, there's a lot of water. There's a lot of water underground. Limpopo. I don't know. Look at this. The water is clearing up again. You see those bubbles here. What is happening? Look at this. Just a small hole that produces this. I don't know.